I welcome you all, my dear students. Today we are going to study about chapter number 1 natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural number होता क्या है? आपको भी पता है any number which starts with 1. Number 1, 2, 3 and so on are called natural numbers. But do you know there is no last natural number? Last natural number नहीं होता है because it is countless. You cannot count. It is endless. आप उसे count नहीं कर पाएंगे. Now next is whole numbers. The whole number means the number which starts with 0. You can see over there the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on are called whole numbers. So now that is the difference that natural number starts with 1 and the whole number starts with 0. Now next very important topic is what is place value. We should know what do we understand by place value. So the place value is the value of the location of a digit in a number. Now what does that means? Place value वो वैल्यू होती है जो किसी डिजिट का लोकेशन बताती है कि वो जो नंबर का पर्टिकुलर डिजिट है वो कौन से लोकेशन पे है. आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा जब मैं आपको इसका चार्ट टेबल दिखाऊंगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल शो यू द इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. नाउ हियर इन द गिवन टेबल यू कैन सी दैट द प्लेस वैल्यू डिजिट स्टार्ट विथ ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Suppose if I ask you what is the place value of 3 in this table? 3 is in the place of lakhs. So what is the place value of 3 over here? We will say the place value of 3 is 3 lakhs. Now next is very important, that is the face value. Now what do we understand by face value? The face value of a digit in a number is the value of digit itself. इसका मतलब कोई भी digit का face value वो खुद होता है. So in the given table you can see that the place value digit starts with ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. Suppose if I ask you what is the face value of 3. The face value of 3 is 3 only. Why? Because I already told you the face value of a digit is the number itself. जो नंबर का फेस जैसे वो दिखता हो वही उसका फेस वैल्यू होता है. बट प्लेस वैल्यू क्या था यहाँ पे? प्लेस वैल्यू उसका था इट इज इन लैक्स table, so it will be the place value will be 3 lakhs but the face value will be 3. So this is the difference between place value and face value. Now let's start with the exercise question. Exercise 1.1 question number 1. Name the face value of digits in number A. It is asking tell the face value which is in thousand place. So you can see that in thousand place 4 is the digit and the face value of 4 will be 4 itself. Now we need to tell the face value which is in 100 place. So you can see that here in 100 place it is 5. So the face value of 5 is 5 only. And the last one in ones place, we need to see the digit which is in ones place. You can see that the digit in the ones place is 7. So we will write down the face value of 7 is 7. Number 2. Name the place and place value of 7 in each of the following. अब आपको प्लेस क्या है वो भी बताना है एंड एज वेल एज उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है वो भी बताना है. नंबर ए में 73 में जो 7 है हमें सबसे पहले बताना है कौन से प्लेस में है. यू कैन सी दैट द 7 इज इन टेंस प्लेस. तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो गई? इफ 7 इज इन टेंस प्लेस उसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी 70. Similarly in the B1, what is the place of 7? You can see that the place of 7 is again tens. And what it is place value? The place value as 7 is in tens place, so its place value is 70. Now next, in 705, now the place of 7 is in 100, so we'll write down it is in hundreds place. And if we ask about the place value as it is in 100 place, so it will become 700. Now in the D part you can see that the 7 is in the place of thousands. So we will write down the place is thousands. And what is the place value? The place value as 7 is in thousands place, so we will write down its place value is 7 thousands. Next, the E, the last one. You can see that the 7 is in the place of lakhs. So we will write down its place is lakhs. And what will be the place value? The place value as the 7 is in lakhs place, so the place value will become 7 lakhs. Yes, question number 3. From the numeral 547305, pick out the digit in each of the following places. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने क्या किया है, 547305 को प्लेस वैल्यू डिजिट में बैठा दिया है. उसके बाद कितना इजी हो जाएगा इसको फाइंड आउट करना. यू कैन सी दैट द digit in the 10,000s is 4. You can see that the digit in the tens place is 0. The digit in the thousands place is 7. And the digit in the hundred place is 3. Question number 4 is find the difference in the face value and place value of 5 in the given digits. So you can see that the given numeral which is shown over here is 1205341 and I have put it in the place value digit. First of all, we should know what is the place value of 5. So you can see that it is asking the place value. Okay, remember. So 5 is in 1000 place. So what will be the place value? The place value of 5 in 1000 place will be 5000. And you know that the face value is the digit itself. So the face value will be the digit 5 itself. The question is asking you find out the difference between them. So the difference between them is this will become 10, this will become 9, this will become 9 and this will become 4. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9, 9 and 4. So the required difference is 4995. Question number 5 is find the difference in the place value of 27 in the given numeral, that is 9742075. First what I have done, I have put it in the place value digit. Now we need to see which is the highest place value digit of 7 in this. One is in tens and one is in lakhs. So first we'll write down the place value of 7 in lakhs. So place value of 7 in lakhs, that will be 7 lakhs. So we'll write down 7000000. The next is the place value of 7 which is in tens place. So we'll write down the place value of 7 in tens digit. That will be 70. 7 into 10. Now again we need to find out the difference of this as per the question. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. This will become 10, 9, 9, 9 and this will become 6. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9, 9, 9, 6. So this is the required difference which the question was asking to us. Now I'll start with exercise 1.2 question number 1. Write the following in expanded notation. First of all, we'll draw the table. Ones means into 1, tens means into 10, 100 means into 100, 1000 means into 1000, 10,000. Similarly, we'll make all the table and we'll put the digits one by one in it. Number A, the numeral was 67345. So now we need to write down 67,345 in the expanded notation. So here you can see that the 6 is in 10,000 table and 10,000 has 40. So we will write down 6 has 40. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus. Here you can see that the 7 is in 1000 place and it has 30. So 7 with 30. And now the 3 is in 100 place and it has 20. Next, the 4 is in tens place and it has 10. The 5 is in ones place, so the 5 will be 5 only. Next, number B. Number B is 57000005. It has 4 times 0. This was the given numeral which we need to write down the expanded notation. Now you can see that the 5 is in 10 lakhs place and 10 lakhs place has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So you write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7 is in lakhs place and lakh has 5 zeros. So we write down 7 along with 5 zeros. Next is 0 we need not to mention. Again the 0 which is in 1000 place need not to mention. Again the 0 which is in 100 place need not to mention. Again the 0 which is in tens place need not to mention. The 5 which is there in ones place we need to mention, that is plus 5. Now the next numeral is 750078. Now here we can see that the 7 is in lakhs place and the lakh has 5 zeros. So we'll write down 7 along with 5 zeros. Now 5 is in 10,000's place and 10,000 has 4 zeros. So we'll write down 5 along with 4 zero. Next 0 need not to mention in 1000 place. Again 0 need not to mention in hundreds place. 7 is in tens place. So 7 and 10 which has 1 0. Last 8 which is in ones place. So we'll write down 8. Similarly, the next numeral we are having in the D part, that is 6530079. Now here you can see that the 6 is in 10 lakhs place and 10 lakh has 6 zeros. So we write down 6 along with 6 zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the 5 is in lakhs place and the lakh has 5 zeros. So we will write down 5 along with 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 3. 3 is in 10,000 place and it has 4 zeros. So we will write down 3 along with 4 zero. Now 0 which is in 1000 place need not to mention. 0 again in 100 place need not to mention. 7 which is in tens place has 1 0. So we will write down 7 with 1 0. Last 9 which is in ones place we will mention 9. Next numeral is 8 0 0 6 0 8 0 8. Now first we need to see that the 8 is in crore place and crore has how many 0? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 8 along with 7 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After that we are having 0 in 10 lakhs need not to mention, 0 in lakh place we need not to mention. Now 6 is in 10,000 place and 10,000 has 4 0. So along with 6 we will write 4 0. Now again 0 is in 1000 place need not to mention. Now 8 is in 100 place, 8 along with 100 has 2 0. Now again the 0 is in tens place it need not to mention, and the last 8 which is in ones place we need to write down that. The last one F, the numeral which is given to us is 907100608. Now again the 9 is in crore place, so 9 along with 7 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 is in 10 lakhs, need not to mention. 7 is in lakh place and lakh has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. So we'll write down 7 with 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1 is in 10,000 place that has 4 zeros. So we'll write down 1 with 4 zeros. 0 need not to mention. 6 again in 100 place. So along with 6 we will write down 2 0. 0 again in tens place need not to mention. The last 8 which is in ones place we need to write down plus 8. Question number 2 is write the corresponding numbers for the following. Now here first of all I have drawn the place value digit chart table so that it can be very easy for identifying. Now here you can see that 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0. 6 0 means it is in 10 lakh place. 5 which is having 4 0 is in 10,000 place. 7 which is having 2 0 is in 100 place and 9 which has no 0 is in ones place. It means जो बीच में छूट रहा lakh it has 0. That's why it is not mentioned. 1000 place is also 0. That's why it is not mentioned. Tens place it is also having 0. That's why it is not mentioned. So what is the numeral we are getting from this? 3050709. Coming down to the next, that is 5 with 1 2 3 4 5 0. So that means it is in lakhs place. 4 which is having 4 0 is in 10,000 place. Now in 1000 place it is nothing means it has 0 in it. Again 100 place nothing is there, it means 0 in it. Again in tens place nothing is there, it means 0 in it. Last is 1. So 1 is in ones place. So what is the numeral we are getting from this? 540001. Coming down to the next. Now this 7 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 0 means it is in 10 lakhs place. Next 7, 5 0 which is in lakhs place. There is nothing in 10,000, that means 0 which was not mentioned. Again in 1000, 0 which was not mentioned. Again in 100 place, 0 which was not mentioned. 9 with 1 0 means it is in tens place. Last 1 it is nothing means again 0 is over there. So the what is the final numeral we are getting from it? 770090.